whatever, long as it works. You know, there's an old saying, and years ago, man, I had the ugliest car in high school. It was a 68 Dart with a 440 727 8 3/4. It was tubbed, mini tubbed. The back seat was cut out of it, even though the back seat was in it. It was the ugliest pea green Dodge Dart 270 grandma looking car. It was ugly, but man, that sucker ran good. And everybody wanted to ride in it. You didn't have to worry about anybody leaning on the car, and is the car perfect? So that's where I'm at nowadays in my older age. I'm just glad that the boat's running right and getting closer to being mechanically sound. Speedboat Maniac 410 coming at you guys. So we're just heading across the Bay Bridge right now. We're heading over to my buddy Big Jeff's shop. I got a 1 o'clock appointment with him. He's gonna weld this lovely nipple 90 back on for me now that I've punched down in there. And you know, obviously guys, you know, I want to say this is all just a temporary fix, but I'm just trying to get to the point where obviously we know that the tailpipe was restricted, and I beat it down in there. I inspected it. I pulled the pipe off. I'll show you guys that. The weld's on the inside. There's no damage on the inside of the pipe. I just dimpled it in pretty good so water can get in and flow around the pipe and move out of the tailpipe like it's supposed to. Listen, there's a chance that this is not going to fix the boat at high RPMs, like anything over 4,500 or 4,800 RPMs for a long while, meaning like more than a minute or two. That's the true test, okay? But I'm 90% sure that obviously with this water pressure coming down to 7 and 8 for the most part in a normal range, and it did flash to like 12 and 15 a couple of times, but we had the boat out for a good hour and 10, 20 minutes the other day on a test, but we're getting closer. We're getting closer, so we're looking for functionality. Obviously not pretty right now. So will I get a new pipe made, obviously, in the future? Probably. Will that future be a week or 2 weeks from now? Not really, no. Maybe 6 months or a year from now, depending on cash. So, whatever, long as it works. You know, there's an old saying, and years ago, man, I had the ugliest car in high school. It was a 68 Dart with a 440 727 8 3/4. It was tubbed, mini tubbed. The back seat was cut out of it, even though the back seat was in it. It was the ugliest pea green Dodge Dart 270 grandma looking car. It was ugly, but man, that sucker ran good. And everybody wanted to ride in it. You didn't have to worry about anybody leaning on the car, and is the car perfect? So that's where I'm at nowadays in my older age. I'm just glad that the boat's running right and getting closer to being mechanically sound. All that frill stuff and all that frou stuff maybe come later. Maybe. Long as I can take the boat out, enjoy it, have a peace of mind a little bit, you know, a little peace of mind. Speedboats don't bring you a lot of peace of mind because a lot of things can break and go wrong, but my goal is to go out, enjoy it, maybe obviously take my wife, my kids. They're a little older now. My kids are, you know, like 20 and 24, but, you know, go to a restaurant, have some seafood, some crabs, and, you know, take the boat out and just know that it's not going to break down on the bay all the time because it's overheating or there's a stupid problem with the exhaust pipe. So anyways, we're heading up to Big Jeff's. We'll catch up with you guys in a little while, and I'll show you inside the pipe later in this video of what's going on. And obviously we're going to reassemble the pipe in the next couple days and get the boat back out for another sea trial and enjoyment on the bay and see how much it really improved. Getting it lined out. Jeff's got his man on it. He's gonna get it welded up. we'll see what it looks like.
What do you think?
That's fine. Yeah, it ain't got to be perfect. It's just got to be good. Man. We'll take a look at it when it's on. Man, that was quick. That's pretty nice bead you put on there.
Nah, I was just trying to burn it in so it's not gonna fall off.
Hey, it don't gotta be pretty. It just gotta be functional. I'll be down here next week putting some new lights in for Jeff's shop too. We'll see you guys back at the shop. Got her done. Nick! Excited. Chipping away at it. Do a little exercise. Look. Well, big boy's belly, try to burn some of it off.
Hey, Buckwheat, you all's getting kind of fat, ain't you? Yes, sir. I've been eating a lot of goat chops. Well, come on, honey lamb.
Don't scratch it. Don't mess it up, whatever you do.